Connecting Zapier with Facebook leads allows you to automate the process of capturing leads from your Facebook ad campaigns and integrating them into your CRM or email marketing system. Here's how to set it up. Create a Zap. Log into Zapier and click on Make a Zap to start creating a new automation. Choose Facebook Lead Ads as the trigger app. Select Facebook Lead Ads from the list of available apps as your trigger app. Connect your Facebook account. Authenticate and connect your Facebook account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions for Zapier to access your Facebook lead ads. Set up the trigger. Select the specific Facebook page and lead form that you want to use as the trigger for your automation. Zapier will fetch sample data to help you set up the trigger. Test the trigger. Once set up, test the trigger to ensure Zapier is correctly pulling in data from your Facebook lead ads. Choose the Action app. Select the app where you want to send your Facebook leads. This could be your CRM system, email marketing platform, or any other supported app. Map fields. Map the fields from your Facebook lead ads to the corresponding fields in your chosen action app. Ensure data is correctly mapped for accurate lead capture and processing. Set up the action. Configure what happens with the lead data in the action app. This could include creating a new contact, adding to a list, or triggering a follow-up sequence. Test and turn on your Zap. Test the entire Zap to verify that leads are being properly transferred and processed. Once satisfied, activate your Zap to start automating the process of capturing Facebook leads.